Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yeah. Greetings again, brothers and sisters. In the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I, and all things good and wonderful about us and amongst us. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and help grow the platform. You see, so I'm there so again under the M6 from a different vantage point. Hopefully some people can see some traffic pass this time. You see, yeah, you know, you might barely see them, but you still can see them. See? So recently, I see a little clip, you know, where we should have take the clip and use it as well. And, you know, I might just go back and find it after this and present it to the item. But, you know, I see a clip where the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, like a smile, you know, with a smirk and a grin, while he make the statement say, nowadays, if you talk to the shatter them, if the Dan talk to the shatter them will look on the Dan and say, you can't tell me that, I'm going doing things same way. Basically, he might acknowledge say the Dan them not in charge no more. You know, see it? So, he might acknowledge say he himself is not in charge anymore. You know, see it? Because them control the Dan them. Politicians control all Dan. And the rest of them control lie and Dan control the youth them. So now that's him come out straight and plain and a smirk and a talk about man can control this and who can control that. He is the one himself admitting that he's got no control anymore. You know, see it? Which is something to kind of celebrate, you know. Yeah. And why I say kinda is because we're still not 100% certain where the youth them head there. Rasta. With this rebellion as admitted so by the Prime Minister. Yeah. M6 that Birmingham. Wolverhampton, Birmingham, Manchester, all the way up. Probably Liverpool, we're not certain. You know, see it? Yes, I. Prime Minister admits him lose control. Me, I tell you, say, me, a stepper from Warwick Isle. And me, I tell you, say, a politician control all done. And when you hear a guy come back, a guy they even understand him feel like so well then. He can detach himself from his role and connection in the development of things as it is today. Like we are idiot. Me walk away from Danship. Andrew Holness. I mean I tell you say, the reason why I walk away because I don't know that control me and me a bad man, nobody not talk to my gun. You know see it? So when they come on TV and talk about no lose control, hey boy, yourself. And you lose control. And the so-called Dan the way I talk about is still very much in control. You know see, the name, the moniker is what it is. If it exists, the character exists. People demoralize and not believe in one no more and now they don't know. You know see it, worse man like me they are call them out and I show the out them say, I don't control them see me no matter where them think and believe. You know see it? So it's a good look in any respect where you want to take it. You lose control. And it's a good thing. We just want Ghana the youth them focus now and make them know who them true enemy is. And make them know who hold them back and hold back them fathers and mothers, make them not have a better future prepared for them. Any farmer assistance, Rasta. You know, see it? Yeah. Now the youth them need to realize why them in the position where them in. Why the gun is the main source of income where them sit today, Rasta, in a Jamaica. Now the youth them need to realize, because you admit you lose control, you come now attack like we are blood clot idiot. Like I don't want to bring gun in the island to fight PMP, GLP war and supply and celebrate it all these years, Rasta, and get Chinese the wharf and now you can't give account for the equipment them we are come through. If you don't mind sharp, knowing the Chinese, the history of the Chinese that them capitalize on any market where exists in any diaspora where them dwell, Rasta, and gun and bullet and Mali is one of the biggest seller and the easiest money maker right now, tax free. You see it? I don't give them all of them things there. So you no lost control. You no not, yeah. It's obvious. Licky belly and pocket. You see it? As much as you know have, you still drive, you sell out Jamaica. Because you know say you don't have a private investment abroad. And a private resident abroad one can run where go when it collapse. You see it? As we all know, Jamaica should have collapsed already. Jamaica should have collapsed already. People are remittance money where your government are talk about in them political speech and all them things nowadays. Like so well in a them construct it or it's a natural economic resource. We hear a politician them talk about it and all like so well and them entitled Jamaica entitled to it. Just like the other day, you see the consequence of poor people have to face right now for collect money. Eh? Because Babylon knows that them can put any amount of entitlement on that. Because it's one of the most desirable prospects of economic funding and resource in the country, Rasta. You see it? When you go collect your Western Union nowadays, you just might as well you bring your birth certificate and your mother too. And if you can bring your grandfather to you, just bring them. You see it? Because there is no standard. Our politicians make it look like so well then we are the biggest beggar in the world, Rasta. You see it? Just lick my finger up on a kasha. You see it? You don't talk about, yeah, you talk about whether, yeah, you don't say it, Rasta. So them thing there.
The Donna said, no, you're a little boy, you can't diss me. And the little boy said, yeah. Fully done.
Yeah, it's not something where we are beg for. We're desperate for it, Rasta. We're desperate for a change. And again, like I say, by any means necessary, Rasta. Okay, how worse can it be than we are going with today, blatantly in our face, a rob way. And nothing, you know, see it? Nothing not change. Just lick a one concert, boy. 60-year independence. What's the difference? What benefit? What you know? What Jamaica reach? Eh? What the standard? Who is benefiting? The same people them. Only where we seek independence from. Ghetto people still have to pay for education. Ghetto people still have to live below the breadline, below the poverty line. And still class them and blame them for everything that befall Jamaica, Rasta. And not take no responsibility for yourself as leaders. You know, see it? We hope and pray for the youth them get educated. Start read some book about political reforms and issues like this, some revolutionary books. How to make government stop and take check. How to check government and make them know say them have a responsibility. Them not immune to the people them put them respect them there, Rasta. I saw our politicians them go on. Our politicians them go on like it's a birthright. You know see? It's a birthright, and when them ready for tired, them want to pass it on upon them family. Hence the reason why the PNP party get fucked. You see it? Because the last leader force out the leader before him, force out Portia Simpson, Peter Phillips. And then now when it a come to the end of him road, him want to install him son. And because the rest of the party never did have it, this big disruption a go on here now. The big disarray where the PNP in everybody a put for them family, them personal interest and friend over the party. These people has become bigger than the party. You know, see it? Both Peter Phillips and Peter Bunting is responsible for the pollution where might as well say pollution to rot it clean. Where the PNP party is in today. Because them people are not observe the consensus. Them people are not observe the agreement, the destination, the path where the PNP set forward. You know, like them principle. No, them people are themselves them dealing. Just like with the ruling party of today. You know, see it? Far removed, far detached from the things that affect regular people. You know, see it? So them come with all sort of justification and stupidity. Not realizing that them are ridicule them own leadership. Oh, on earth, if your prime minister come and talk about they done them and a brag like it's a brag. You in control of them youth, they hold on there now. And your persuasion the youth them attack. Why them come over here so and over your side? Oh, they done coming at this as a significant other half. Oh, Dan coming at this. The whole of them no one keckle and bungler fish. Rasta is you against them. It's like it's you against the Dan and them. No, you get rid of the Dan. Are you and them alone? Well, make me tell you what the Dan used to do. Fool. The Dan used to ensure a full game player. The Dan used to ensure that everybody come out, come vote when election time come, regardless of the performance over the years. Hence, the reason why Philip Palwell could have in a power so long. You see it? Him did have Tony Brown behind him for at least 2 or 3 times. Plus all of the man them in a Rockfort as well. Nobody dare vote him out. All when them want to do it because them afraid of the repercussion where the Dan them might come back with. Every and any Dan in a Rockfort East Kingston me I talk about today. If them not realize it, well, make me educate you. Is fear for uno why poor people vote for certain guy. You are the one who maintain the status quo in the ghetto. And you see now, you hear the gratitude where you get. The Prime Minister laugh and say you now have no control again. Like say, them no scientifically engineer that. When them start saying Zeeks, Dodos, yes, them guilty. They might be of whatever, but how long have they been indulging in the practices that they were convicted of? You know, see it? Yes. But as long as them play them game, until England can send Mark Shields come down there, come point it out and document it. This is when the Dan them get disgusting. This is when the Dan them becomes unbearable. A repulse. Mark my word. Then come Vibes Cartel and Movado. You know how much high profile man get where with the same thing them over the years. Where them a claim so them a persecute Vibes Cartel and Movado for. In our eye, and we sit down and watch it and talk about yes, them a do something now, or like we just glad for the mix up. For run with it and go on like say, yeah, we have something to talk about. Famous people get mixed up in a crime and violence and them. Remember me tell you say, Vibes Cartel right now good can talk favor when him do for politician. And the possibility is probably is that's why they were him there. Him good have no card. For use when them try use him or something like that, him never take no talk. So him not have no card for use span them now. Like all me you know see it, like all blood clot me. You know see it? Yeah. Still to this day I haven't shed any farmer cloud over no politician. Me just call the general spade a spade, them inactive, them lazy, them corrupt. Basically that. You don't need to know more. You don't see it. You're not supposed to have nobody a draw no assertion or assumption like them thing there against a politician without you looking into it or have a deeper looking at it for yourself and prove it for yourself. You see it? Yeah. Probably him couldn't get the press Vibes Cartel button or initiate him in them dirty games. So him end up on him own. Him now move out because that's at the beginning of the independent Dan come in. And the first entertainer them there, they actually put themselves out there as that character with the financial resource where them have. So them becomes a danger. So them get rid of them. But them can't get rid of all of the scam of them. When make badness and danship becomes independent. The Dan them where you have control over, you talk about Rasta. You not talk about, you not talk about certain people and certain man, you know. You don't recognize them as such. We have to find a new name for them, man, they Rasta. A Jenna them, they are general. You see it? The dandy is done. Yeah, we're outside. I enjoy the weather. As much as me under the shade here, it's hot still, you know. I tell you like, I don't know if I truly attack and I work up myself. But yeah, it's something to think about, Rasta. You know see it? Me know say a guy a scream in disgust when he must say the Dan now have no control again. A guy now talk like so well then. Him happy about that. A guy afraid about him position. Cause him can't call nobody now and say, yo, get them youth there in order. What them you wanna deal with? Eh? Remember, so we know say you do that and that and that, you know. And we will make police come for your feet. Them can't call them and say that to them again. A be of them thing that them use to drop a man where them put in a position of danship. So when them come now and I ridicule the position, it's just like them I ridicule the Minister of National Security, the Minister of Health, or the Minister of any one of them. Because the Dan was the unofficial Minister of, containment. I have a better word for it right now. Yeah, I'm a big man friend over there, sir, from way back at Jump Street. We used to run up and down on the escalator the whole world. Back in the day when it just make. Give me a word for that one day. Because we dance. I'm in a business. At the end of the day, what we are going to do about that, Rasta? Oh, if we go complain and worry about something that is not a fault of ours. Something that if my mother never teach me how to wipe my body, I mean how to wipe my body. When me I go walk up and down and go on like so well then. No, when me learn it, Rasta. You don't see it, that's how it go. If you don't know something, you just don't know it. Yeah. So when bro God come with a ridiculous argument and make it look like me don't know who him attack to or who him a chick. When the Dan lose power, you lose power. And you lose power. You don't see it. Don't come go like you want to chick more people and go like so well then. Anyway, I better go loud that, you know. I better give thanks. You see it. Share, like and subscribe because you don't know outside in the light. I show you some of the motorway and it's engineering. You know, I show you some of the engineering regarding the motorway. You see, because this is like when I'm going to call a cul-de-sac, like a bridge type thing. Obviously, this was like a valley where the motorway have to go over, so it them create this platform and put it on up there, so you just see it. See where the where the bridge, the base there, where it start, and all of these columns go across. This is remarkably engineering, something that needs a program on its own with proper knowledgeable people to give insights and things like this. As you can see, under the motorway, this is a train track as well. I think it's at the train track. I'm not sure if it's the train or the tram. Because both systems pass close by here. Seeing, but yeah, I'm shade the light, hopefully, so that's why you can see the train track. And it goes under the motorway. And that's the motorway. And like I say, some of the construct somehow underneath a motorway viaduct looks, because this is what they would call it, a viaduct, based on the length, I would assume, because we know a bridge, and bridges look just like viaducts as far as we are concerned, but still there is a distinction. So I am gonna say, because of the length of a viaduct as opposed to a bridge, why it's called a viaduct and not a bridge. You see it? So if you know better, correct me, because you don't know that we're there for. I try to learn. You see it? Yes, I. So we give thanks once again, you know. I have to say, like the video, share, like, and subscribe, and you don't know, make we grow the thing. See it? Yes, I. Give thanks. Rastafari.